you should do the same.
There we go.
This is Mitochondrial Myopathy by Noah Koneman and Matthew Almond. What is it? Mitochondrial myopathy is a group of disorders that damages the mitochondria, causing them to produce less oxygen.
The cause of mitochondrial myopathy are genetic mutations causing less efficient transportation of oxygen to the mitochondria.
Some of the symptoms for mitochondrial myopathy can include muscle fatigue, weakness, and exercise intolerance. Severity of symptoms can vary depending on people who have it. For example, in some individuals, weakness, like weakness of facial muscles, can be the most prominent symptom that we see. Just like in the pictures that we saw just a second ago, where the people had droopy eyelids and possibly droopy cheeks. Um, yeah, but as you can see from this graphic, the symptoms can vary um, can vary a lot.
There are many ways to treat it, but most of the time it's creatine, carnitine, and coenzyme Q10. Creatine just makes more phosphate from ATP, which is phosphate is P in ATP. And that's how it gets more energy through creatine. Carnitine just makes it more efficient to get ATP to the cell. And I forgot about coenzyme Q10, but they can all be combined into a treatment cocktail that works really well and fixes the droopy eyelids.
The outlook for mitochondrial myopathy, most people who are diagnosed with this um, can live with a normal life expectancy as long as they have regular treatment. But this can be progressive, and if it goes untreated or treated poorly, we can see the slow paralysis of the face muscles, which, like I said earlier, can cause the droopy eye appearance.
This is our chart. One sec. All right. So mitochondrial myopathy is caused by genetic mutations. This is just a quick summary. You can skip this part if you more positive you really want. Muscle fatigue and weakness and exercise intolerance are the symptoms, and eventually, if you go untreated, it will cause facial paralysis because you just won't be able to get energy to the face muscles like in those images we saw. Some ways that it can be treated are through creatine, carnitine, coenzyme Q10, and they can all be combined into a treatment cocktail, which works really effectively. And these are our sources.